First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:43 this morning, and not a whole lot going on across the country in general. We do have some more snow in the northern plains, more snow in the northeast, though it's not very heavy snow, but at this point, any snow in mid-April is just getting ridiculous, and they're sick and tired of it up there. There's actually a cold front that's working into Texas right now, but you'll notice no activity over it. That's because there's still a lot of dry air, and notice not a lot of activity along this warm front either. Again, that cold front that we've still been impacting the country over the beginning of the work week left behind much drier, cooler air, so really these fronts don't have anything to work with now. Our humidity has started to return, so when this front gets here early tomorrow morning, we do have a small chance of rain, but that front is going to be pretty weak by the time it gets here, so we're not talking about much. What it will do is cool us back down, though. So today's going to be our warm day, but then we're going to be cooling down. Let's track our temperatures. 10 a.m. this morning, getting into the upper 70s, and ultimately many of us are going to be in the upper 80s. But you factor in the humidity and that 91 Rio Grande City, that's what it's going to be feeling like in more parts of the valley because the humidity is back today. And this next front isn't really going to drop our humidity that much, but it's going to keep the clouds around, and those clouds make a big difference. When you have a lot more clouds, you don't warm up as much. Tomorrow morning, notice we're still about the same temperatures that we're seeing today, some in the upper 60s, others in the low 70s, but the difference is in the afternoon. Check it out. We're only talking about highs in the low 80s tomorrow. Now, still, the humidity's still there, but low 80s and humid, not too bad. We're not going to complain about that. And as we jump ahead to Friday morning now, notice a little bit cooler, more places in the mid to upper 60s. And once again, Friday afternoon with mostly cloudy skies. Not a great rain chance, just a few showers Friday morning, but mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. We're talking about the low 80s once again. I think it's better chances of seeing mid 80s with the exception of the upper valley. We'll see more mid 80s in the lower valley, especially as we get into the day Saturday, and then back to the upper 80s on Sunday, but then another cold front comes in. So we're dry today, 88. We'll have a period of mostly cloudy skies, I think, in the late morning hours, but much of the day is going to feature partly cloudy skies, especially this afternoon. It is going to be humid today, which it hasn't been in several days, and we'll call it breezy. Gusts to 25 miles per hour, but we're not worried about those really high winds that we've seen the last 2 days. So catching a little bit of a break there. And light winds tonight, just 5 to 10 miles per hour. For much of the night, quiet, just mostly cloudy skies. But very late tonight, a chance for a few showers as that cold front approaches. But because it's not here yet, we're only cooling down to 69, kind of like where we are this morning. Now, tomorrow morning, isolated showers. So, yes, there's going to be some showers around for that morning drive, but not a lot. You might need the windshield wipers, but I think majority of us probably are going to get by without using them. And then we're going to be dry for the afternoon. Again, mostly cloudy on Thursday, mostly cloudy on Friday. A small chance of rain early Friday morning, but that's it. Back to breezy conditions on Friday. I think we're actually going to have light winds for Thursday, still low 80s. We start warming up on Saturday. Yes, once again, a small chance of rain in the morning hours, but for the most part, just additional clouds, mostly cloudy skies. Basically, the front stalled out over us on Friday, lifts back as a warm front on Saturday. And then on Sunday, though in the early afternoon we're going to make it into the upper 80s, it's going to be feeling pretty hot, pretty humid. In the late afternoon, we're going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms. That's another cold front coming in, and then we cool back down to the mid 80s, and that's going to be mid 80s with low humidity Monday and Tuesday, so it looks like a good start to next work week.